Welcome back. Let's continue from where we stopped. So we'll be introducing to us superscript, subscript, small texts, and lists. Okay, let's drag this down to go down. Now let's introduce superscript for us. Superscript, we use SUP for superscript. SUP, like this. Okay, so let's try and do something that will let me bring out a paragraph. Let's say this text is at the top. You see, this text is at the top. Or let me say, okay, this text is at the top. So this top now, I want to carry this top to be a superscript. So I will erase it. I will come here, superscript, close it back, then include the top. Can you see this thing now? The superscript is inside the paragraph text. It's as if everything is in a paragraph. Everything is in one paragraph. But I want to display something to be like raised to power. That is what we use superscript for. So let's try and check it. Can you see? It is displayed at the top like a superscript. Okay. Another example, like let's say you are writing all those equations, like you want to write, let me say, H for chemistry student, for hydrogen. Hydrogen used to have superscript 2, or let me say 2 plus. Okay, so this is how it will be. Can you see it now? So, or you want to write anything, any fraction that is raising to power. So the text is displayed while it is having a superscript 2 plus, and this one having the superscript top. So let us do the subscript too, the one that will come at the bottom like a base. So let me copy this one, copy, and let me paste it. So bottom, don't forget this one will be subscript, SUB, subscript SUB. So this one too, let me introduce SO4. SO4, we're talking about the chemistry student. Okay, let's view it. So this is the subscript. Can we all see it? The one for the superscript is at the top. The one, yeah, I made a mistake from here. I didn't change the subscript for the 4. sub. So now can we see it now? So the subscript will bring the text down a little bit, while the superscript will place it at the top like a raising to power. So that is that about the superscript and subscript tag. Let me do kind of joining this thing together. Copy, paste. Can you see this? Can you see this thing? I want to match the two this thing together, the hydrogen and the sulfur together. I want to write it in a complete formula now. Okay, let's view it. Can you see it? H2SO4. Where is the 2? Have I deleted it? Yes, I have deleted it. H2SO4. Now, can you now see this chemical formula now? H2SO4. Let's assume you want to write something like indices too. Let me say copy, paste. Let me say 5 raised to power 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 5 raised to power 4 raised to power 4, like a mathematical expression now. So can you see, like an indices? So let me introduce the break here so that it will drag it come down. Break. So that is that for superscript and subscript. You can use it to write anything you want to write raised to power, or you want to write anything that is coming down to a base like a log. That is it. So you want a text to be smaller. For example, let's say, let me copy this paragraph, copy. I want it to be smaller. Let me paste it here. Then I will now introduce another thing. Let me introduce the small tag. Can you see it? The small tag. Paste. The small tag. Now let's see something. I introduce a paragraph inside a small tag. Can you see? I hope you can see it. you can see that this at the top is bigger than this one down, so this one is a bit smaller than the other one. You can see it. All right, that is the magic in website development. So let me introduce listing to you. List. Okay, ordered listing. Let's say list. Let me drag this down. Don't forget, everything you are doing, it will be falling inside the body of your HTML if you want it to be displayed. So list, we have ordered listing and unordered listing. For the ordered listing, we use OL for ordered list. So ordered list, now this is the tag for ordered list, the opening tag and the closing tag, but you now drag it down because there are still some sub tags that you write inside. So for the ordered listing, to list anything you want to list, now you introduce your li, which is your list tag. Okay, your li, let me now, number 1, let me copy it to save time. Copy, paste, another one, paste. Let me stop here so that it won't take much of our time. Okay, so let me change this one to 3. Number 3. Okay. Okay. So I won't take much space. Close it back. Let's see what it will look like. Can you see? This is what we call ordered listing. By applying that, it's going to list your anything you want to list. It's going to list it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 until which number you are going. Okay, so we have other type of listing too. That will be a Roman figure, or it will be a Roman figure 1, 2, 3, so like that. So we are still coming to that. So let's now go for the unordered listing. Unordered listing. Copy and paste. Paste. So I will now change this to for unordered listing. We will be using UL. Ordered listing is OL. Unordered listing is UL. So that is that. So it's going to bring us to where we are going. Can you see? For ordered listing, it will list this for you with numbers. But for the unordered listing, it's going to just make it look like a bullet. And this one too, you have different type of bullets. It's either you use this circular, you use rectangular, you use triangular bullets, and so on and so forth. Okay, all right, let's stop here. See you in the next lesson. Bye.